All right, what I'm going to show you now is how to add new patrons and give them certain rights. For example, if you want to create a patron that is a library sub that can check out books, or you have a staff member that you want to have them able to check out books themselves, you can do that. So what you're going to do is go to Back Office. You're already on Manage Patrons up here, so you'll go over here to the right hand side and click Add New Patron. Alright, so you'll type the patron's name. I'm creating one for a sub to check out books. So my last name is going to be Burbank, and I'm just going to give the first name Substitute. And then I need to give them a username for logging in, so I'm going to call them Burbank Sub. And my password is going to be simple. I'm going to make it books. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and sign the next barcode. And I will leave it as a student type, but the access level I'm going to change to substitute, and that gives them the right to do book checkouts. All right, so make sure you change that. I'm going to not select a homeroom because they're not in a homeroom, and then I will save that. Now, if it's a faculty member, you can certainly change that to faculty because they would have rights to check out books for longer, or however you have set that up, so you could do that as well. So make sure you do save that. Make sure you remember your username and password because you're going to have to give them instructions. So I'm going to go ahead and save. Alright, so what I'm going to do is log out and show you how you're going to have them log in. Make sure that when you give them instructions for logging in, that you tell them they have to use this login using Destiny link, not the big San Antonio ISD link. That's where they would type that login that you gave them. And once they log in, it's going to take a minute to load because, you know, SAISD is slow. Unfortunately, it's going again to this Discover page, but go ahead and click Exit. And here you'll see that they have a few rights. The sub has a few more rights, like to be able to do reports and do a few things in back office, like inventory. You could have them scan for you. But the main thing is being able to be under circulation and able to check out items as needed. So that's the quick instructions on how to add a new patron and give them the rights to check out books.